Hello students, today we are going to look at root nodules in legume plants. So this you have been learning since a very long time. Okay, now root nodules in leguminous plants is basically a relationship between bacteria and legume plant. Okay, bacteria and legume plant. Now say for example the bacteria is rhizobium. Okay, the bacteria is rhizobium. Legume plant can be a pea plant. Okay, and now the rhizobium is a bacteria, pea plant is a legume plant. Now legume means what? They have pods. Okay, the seed, the legume plants will have something called as pods. Okay, so peas you can see they are in pods. Okay, so generally legume plant characteristic is they have pods and also they have something called as root nodules. Okay, now this is a bacteria and legume plant. They come under a relationship which is called as symbiotic. Okay, symbiotic relationship. Okay, they come under a category called as symbiotic relationships. That means both of them are involved in a relationship which is benefiting both. It is mutual. The benefit is coming to both. Okay, right? Now farmers use this relationship for their advantage and also improving the crop production. Okay, now how do they do it? Now generally legume plants, okay, they are incapable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen. Okay, so legume plants cannot fix atmospheric nitrogen. Okay, leguminous plants cannot fix atmospheric nitrogen. Now here the bacteria comes into picture. Okay, now rhizobium is a bacteria. Now rhizobium, now say for example this is a legume plant. Okay, this is a legume plant. Okay, this is a legume plant and you have the roots here. Okay, roots of the legume plant. Now on the roots you will find nodules like this. Okay, on the roots you will find nodules like this. Okay, right? Now what are these nodules? These are called as root nodules. Okay, right? These are called as root nodules, and these root nodules, inside them you will be seeing you will be having the bacteria, that is the rhizobium bacteria, which is taking the shelter. Okay, it is taking the shelter. So what is leguminous plant doing? It is giving shelter to the bacteria which is present inside it. Okay, right? So it is giving shelter to the bacteria in the root nodules. Now I told you before that legume plants cannot fix atmospheric nitrogen. So rhizobium bacteria has a tendency of fixing atmospheric nitrogen. So that is where the advantage lies for the plant. Okay, so what it will do is it will invite the bacteria to enter into the root nodule for shelter. So bacteria require shelter. Okay, so they come under a symbiotic relationship or a mutual agreement stating that okay, rhizobium, I will give you shelter. In turn, you fix atmospheric nitrogen for me because I am not able to do it. Okay, so rhizobium, because it is getting shelter, it gleefully accepts that invite and it enters into the root nodule of the legume plant. And then the rhizobium will start fixing the atmospheric nitrogen. Okay, right? So say for example, you can a rhizobium can fix up to 50 to 150 kgs of nitrogen in the soil per hectare, okay, of land. Okay, so this is used as an advantage for the farmers. So a cereal crop, okay, a cereal crop can be used to cultivate first, and then after that the farmer can go for a legume plant, okay, because the cereal crop might have used up all the nitrogen which is present in the soil. Now if the farmer continues to grow a legume plant, then what will happen, that atmospheric nitrogen whatever is there will be getting fixed into the soil. Okay, right? Now the most important thing that you need to understand here is the bacteria can fix only nitrogen. It cannot fix phosphorus and potassium. So I told you that about NPK. Okay, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Now these three are majorly required for the plant for its growth. Okay, now nitrogen anyways it is taken care by the leguminous plant, but phosphorus and potassium they have to be substituted by using some chemical fertilizers. Okay, right? So farmers use this symbiotic relationship to their advantage to improve the production of their crops. Okay, so I hope that you have understood how a leguminous or a leguminous plant and rhizobium bacteria work together and fix the atmospheric nitrogen. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you so much.